Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to transfer money from Wise to Chase account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing we need to do is to log in to your Chase account, and if you haven't done so, this is the perfect time for you to open an account and not miss on the $100 bonus for new Chase checking customers when you open the Chase Secure Banking account with qualifying transactions. And after that, to be able to send money using your Wise, you need to first sign up if you haven't done so, because they'll ask you for your email address, and the verification process will involve all your credentials. Now, to send money with Wise to your Chase account, all you're gonna do is log in and go to send, and from the home screen, select send. And from here, you can choose where you want to send from. You can fund your transfer from either an account, which is your Chase account, and use the available money on your Wise balance. Now, transferring from Wise to Chase is a very direct and easy. All you're gonna do is select the amount you'd like to send, or exactly how much you'd like your recipient to get, and choose the currency. As from here, it's gonna be US dollars. And if you choose how much you send, the fees are added to that amount. Now, if you choose how much your recipient gets, basically they'll show you how much you have to send, including the fees. And you can choose to schedule this transfer by clicking the calendar icon to continue, or it's simply stated down below here. This is the ETA, and again, if you want to click on the calendar right here, you can schedule the transfer. And you can search for an existing recipient from your list by typing the name, Wise tag, email, or phone here in the review section. Now, if it's not an existing recipient, say for example your Chase account is not yet there, you can add one manually by clicking on the add recipient here. And then select your sending to yourself, someone else, or a business. If you have the bank details, which is your Chase account, check the box and add them and send that money. Now, if you don't have the Chase bank details yet, just enter the email address. And if you have an account with Wise, they'll automatically fund the account and the money they're going to be receiving. And of course, you need to review the details of your transfer. Make sure everything looks right. You can add a reference for your recipient if you'd like to. And you can choose how to pay. The confirmation screen lets you check the details, because your money isn't sent at this point. There are multiple ways you can pay for your transfer, and we will let you know for each option and how long it should take for the money to arrive. And obviously, it's the cheapest way to pay from your Chase bank account. This means you'll have to go through your online banking of your Chase account and then send money to Wise from there, okay? And again, after you receive your money, there's going to be a confirmation that the transfer has been made, and your payments will appear under transactions on the home screen, and you can even change the category from a drop-down list under the amount to keep your payments organized, okay? Just follow the on-screen instructions from here. Click on continue, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.